Hello everyone, welcome to the GK World channel. Let's start our today's video. Question number 1. Grand Renaissance Dam reservoir on Nile River is in which country? Answer: Ethiopia. Ethiopia, Egypt and Sudan to resume talks to break a deadlock on Ethiopia's Grand Renaissance Dam reservoir on Nile. Question number 2. Which country for the first time conducted a successful flight test on the MGTD-20 gas turbine made by 3D printing? Answer: Russia. The Russian Foundation for Advanced Research Projects in the Defense Industry informed that Russia for the first time conducted a successful flight test of MGTD-20 gas turbine engine made by 3D printing. Question number 3. A virtual meeting between India and South Africa Custom Union SACU took place to achieve a preferential trade agreement PTA. How many countries are there in Southern African Custom Unions? Answer: 5. A virtual meeting between India and Southern Africa Customs Union SAUC consisting of Southern Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Lesotho, Eswatini have been received to achieve a preferential trade agreement PTA and to discuss various aspects. Number 4. Which country passed bipartisan legislation to de-escalate the situation along the line of actual control? Answer: USA. The US House of Representatives passed bipartisan legislation to de-escalate the situation along the line of actual control. The act slammed China's aggression against India in the Galwan Valley. It also condemned the growing territorial assertiveness in and around South China Sea. Question number 5. India is finalizing defense logistics agreement which country that enables seamless access to military base and support facilities? Answer: Russia. India and Russia are finalizing defense logistics agreement that will enable seamless access to military bases and support facilities. The normal agreement is to be signed between the countries by the end of 2020. Question number 6. India-based mobility platform Ola will be rolling out the enterprise offering to across which of the following countries? Answer: New Zealand, United Kingdom, Australia. India-based mobility platform Ola is running out the enterprises mobility solution Ola Corporate across global market. It will be rolling out the enterprises offering to customers across Australia, New Zealand and the United Kingdom. The solution had first been introduced in the Indian market and had gained 10,000 corporate users in the country. Question number 7. Which country recently approved dexamethasone as a second treatment of COVID-19? Answer: Japan. The Japanese government recently approved dexamethasone as a second treatment of COVID-19. The approval came in after Britain showed that the drug reduced the death rates in COVID-19 patients. Question number 8. India signed an agreement for the establishment of emergency medical services with which country? Answer: Maldives. India and Maldives have signed an agreement for the establishment of emergency medical services in Maldives. The emergency medical service is financed by India under grant assistance of $20 million of neighboring countries. Question number 9. Men's T20 World Cup 2020 will hold in which country? Answer: Australia. The International Cricket Council ICC confirmed that Men's T20 World Cup 2020 scheduled to be played in Australia in October to November has been postponed to 2022 due to COVID-19 pandemic. Number 10. What is the rank of India according to the report of Global Direct Spelling 2019 retail sales? Answer 15. In accordance with the report of the Global Direct Selling 2019 retail sales by the World Federation of Direct Selling Associations WFDCA, India was ranked 15th in global direct selling industries with the sales of US dollars 2.477 billion in 2019. Question number 11. Hope mission has been launched by which country to Mars? Answer UAE, United Arab Emirates. A mission titled as Hope has been launched to Mars by United Arab Emirates. With this mission, UAE aims to provide a complete picture of Martian atmosphere for the first time, studying day-to-day and seasonal changes. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the first woman PM of Gabon? Answer Rose Christiane Osuka Raponda. All Bongo Ondimba, President of Gabon, appointed Rose Christiane Osuka Raponda as the first woman Prime Minister of Gabon, succeeding Julien Nkeoji Bikhale on 16th July 2020. She is the sixth Prime Minister under presidency since 2009. Question number 13. 15th summit between India and the European Union was held virtually. India was represented by PM Narendra Modi. The EO was represented the President of European Council. Who is the President of the European Council? Answer Charles Michel. 15th summit between India and the European Union EU was held virtually, where India was represented by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The EU was represented by Charles Michel, President of European Council, and the Ursula von der Leyen, President of the European Commission. Question number 14. Which country is set to ban Huawei from its high-speed wireless 5G network? Answer UK. Prime Minister Boris Johnson banned Huawei technologies from Britain's 5G network, angering China but delighting US President Donald Trump by signaling that world's biggest telecoms equipment makers is no longer welcome in the West. Question number 15. Azad Patan Hydel Power Project as an agreement between Pakistan and which country? Answer China. Pakistan and China have signed an agreement for construction of Azad Patan Hydel Power Project in Sudoti district of Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to like our videos and share our videos as possible you can.